What's up, guys? I'm going to be unboxing something I just got in the mail today. It is a little pedal called the Fuzz Aldrin I got from a seller on Reverb called Belly Jelly Music Shop. Apparently this was hand-built by a company called Squidworks. Apparently it's been built for a while. I watched a couple of the sound demos, and actually it sounded pretty good. It's a very cool pedal. Very cool pedal, just a one-knob fuzz called the Fuzz Aldrin. So what was really cool about this pedal is that it was only $37 with shipping. It's only $37 with shipping and for the price of the pedal. So here it is. First impressions, yes, it is in a plastic enclosure, which, you know, honestly isn't a big deal for me, especially for the price range. But it has a good feeling switch. The pot feels nice. The graphic is a sticker, as you can see on the edge there. But it's got a cool name. It's a cool price. And for a one-knob fuzz, I don't see how you can go wrong. All I've heard is sound demos of this, and I will show you a sound demo myself, but I have never plugged this in. This was my first time opening up, and I will show you the guts on the inside next, and then we'll go into a playing demo. Alright guys, got the screws off of this back plate. Just going to kind of show you what's inside. So, like I said earlier, it is a plastic enclosure, so nothing too special, nothing too crazy, but we can see the pot there with what looks to be a little silicon transistor, actually two of them. Nope, take that back, just one. And then we have your electrolyte cap right here. We have a little diode right there. Don't know the rating or anything off the top of my head. And there's a little resistor. So it looks like a very simple little board. Nothing too complicated, nothing too crazy. Probably pretty easy to replicate. But here is the Squidworks. I'm guessing this thing's true bypass. Not 100%, but there's your power outlet right there. There's the LED right there on there. You can see the different things leading up to the board. The output jacks look like decent quality. Honestly, they don't look bad at all. This thing looks to be wired and soldered very well. Honestly, for 39 bucks, well, for 37 bucks, can't really go wrong. This is some quality stuff right here. This isn't too bad at all. I'm very happy with this so far.